Kathy and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to clear your browsing data in Google Chrome. So first we open Google Chrome and then we choose these three vertical dots in the upper right corner and then we choose Settings and then we scroll down and then we choose Clear Browsing Data. We can choose basic or we can choose advanced. There are more alternatives in advanced. Choose those alternatives that you want. I have to give a big warning. Do not choose this alternative if you do not know the passwords for some of your accounts. And then we set the time frame. We can choose for all time or the last 4 weeks, the last 7 days, the last 24 hours or the last hour. We have the same time frame settings in basic. Then choose the alternatives that you want and then you choose clear data. Your browsing data is now cleared. In this video I have showed you how to clear your browsing data in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.